solution at Skidsteer Solution. Mess around and don't look back.
Solutions.com. We're here in our warehouse, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about cabs. I'm going to run through a few different of the cabs that we have in stock here at SkidsteerSolutions.com. The first cab I want to talk to you today about is our polycarbonate cab. We recommend this type of cab on this style of a mower, or really any kind of mower where you think that the debris can come out and shoot out the front and bounce back and hit the operator. This cab is a 1/2 inch polycarbonate. It's got a built-in seal that keeps the dust and debris and everything from getting in around the side of the cabs and giving you a little mustache when you're working. What you see here is the front cab. It's a 1/2 inch. We've got 1/8 inch sides, because generally your cab, your ROPS is going to protect you anyways, because you've got the screen of the cab there to protect you. They don't slide, so they don't open. Once you put them on, you bolt them in place. They also have a seal, and that's it. They just stay in place. We've got our hardware kit here. All of our hardware is stainless steel. It has a locking handle, so you've got a nice professional handle, just like the OEM handles that came with the cabs. We've got our hardware kit here, our nuts and bolts, and then our bracket, which also again is stainless steel. So nothing cheap about any of these kits. They're really first class kits, and they go in really easily. Looking at this door, you'll see here, this is the mount for my handle. So there's the handle here. It just goes straight through the holes. Bolts on like that. The bolts come in from behind. We've got the mechanism that goes on the inside. This is the locking mechanism with the internal release handle. And this uses all of the existing hole positions that you have on your machine. So this is set up for a Bobcat G Series. Bobcat G Series, if you look on the ROPS frame, you're going to actually see the bolts that line up for these hinges here. So the hinges that mount on here, they'll bolt in place, and that'll also bolt onto the frame. This latch mechanism, this is similar to the OEM latch that comes with the original door, and it's going to have the bolt holes in place for this to mount on internally as well. So, and the little catch that goes on the frame. So everything will go and mount on here and will be just like an OEM installation, only a lot less of a price for a higher quality item. So what I've just reviewed here is our high impact enclosure. The main difference here is the main door is a 1/2 inch polycarbonate. Now we have the same cabs, so meaning the exact same size, same width, same seals, everything. We have this in a 1/4 inch, which is just meant for rain protection, environmental protection, not for impact. It's a lot less expensive, but the installation, the hardware kits, everything are identical. So we also have that as an alternative if you don't really need the safety of an impact cab. I do recommend this though if you're doing any kind of mowing operation, especially using a mower like this. This is our Typhoon mower. This, with the cover off the front, has a tendency to throw a lot of material out, and you'll actually have rocks hit trees and they'll come right back at you. So you always want to make sure you've got a cab like this. So moving down to the less expensive cabs, that's the 1/4 inch. And then we also, if you just want rain protection, you just want to stay dry and keep a little bit of heat in your cab during the winter, we also have a pullover nylon cab. Those are also available on our website. So we've got 3 different cab styles here. We've got our high impact cabs, 1/2 inch polycarbonate. We've got our 1/4 inch polycarbonate, which are meant just for protection and a little bit more robust than the nylon cabs. And then we also have our nylon pullover cabs. So pretty much everything that you would ever need for cab protection aftermarket, you can find at SkidsteerSolutions.com.